What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we have a 500 gram cake from Red Lantern called Victorian. It is a 34 shot cake. Has all kinds of different effects to it. It's got all kinds of mines, some silver fish, some falling leaves, got some strobes in there, some brocade crowns with brocade crown tails. Like I said, it's got all kinds of different breaks to it. Definitely a very nice cake. Make sure you point in the right direction. It's got some angle to it, but yeah, definitely a very nice cake. So let's take it out and see how she looks.